Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, let me show you tips on how to render video faster in After Effects. First, let's open your After Effects, then go to Edit over here. Then on the drop-down, click on Preferences and go to General. From here, go to Media and Disk Cache. Then click on Clean Database and Cache on the bottom. Then on the upper right corner, click on OK. For our next step, head over to Composition over here, then click Add to Render Queue. Over here, find Render Settings and click on Best Settings beside it. On Quality, click Best and for Resolution, select Full. On Frame Blending, click on For Check Layers. For Proxy Use, click on Use to Proxies. Then on Frame Rate over here, select 30. Then click OK. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video.